Hello everybody, welcome. Now I'm going to do something a bit different today. Well, let me just show you. It'll be easier if I show you what I'm going to do, because you'll understand it then a bit better. Right, I tried to get it on camera the best I can. As you can see, loads of chocolate. We've got all the main brands here at the top. And we've got all the Aldi own brands here. I'll say you've got your Mars, your Snickers, your Twix, your Kit Kat and your Bounty. And then you've got the Aldi Mars, the Aldi Snickers, the Aldi Twix, the Aldi Kit Kat and the Aldi Bounty. Right, now the difference, that was 62 pence, that was 62 pence, and that was 62 pence. These were, I got these from Tesco, they're doing an Aldi price match at the minute. These were £1.25, £1.25, £1.25 and £1.25. So that's half price. Obviously Aldi must be selling some proper brands of Mars bars at the minute, and I haven't seen them. Now the Kit Kats, they were 75 pence. The only difference on the Kit Kats, they had no two packs of 8. They only had the big packs of 4. If I say the fingers in them, it still equates to the same. They were 75p and they were 99p. There's not a lot of difference in them ones. And as for the Bounties, they were, let me work it out now, I've got the receipt somewhere. They were 95 pence and they were £1.25. So like 30p difference. But do they taste the same? Now I've had a look at all the, I'm not going to show all the backs of the packaging and everything, it'll take ages. But I've had a look and they're all virtually the same weight. There's not a lot of difference in it. So what I'm going to do, we're going to open one of them, Somebody in the house has already opened the Twix. But obviously nobody done it. So I'm going to open a Mars first. I'm going to go down the line and just see what the taste difference is. So let's open the Mars first. Right, I'm going to open the Aldi one first. As I say, I did tally it all up together, and I think it saved £2.44 pence or something like that. It saved with the Aldi ones. Now let's open the Mars. And there's the difference. Look, ignore the packaging. Aldi's is full to the package. So there's not a lot of difference. You can't see that, can you, out of the camera? There's a little bit, but not a lot. But don't forget, that was double price. That was £1.25, 62 pence. So let's open them two up. The Titan Mars first. There's that one. And the proper Mars is that one. Now at first, I'm going to always keep the Aldi one on the right so I know what I'm doing. So at first look, there's not a lot, is there? Look. Not a lot of difference. Thickness, virtually the same, just a little bit, not a lot. So let me get my sharp knife. And a chopping board. There we go. Now I'm not going to cut loads off because otherwise I'm going to end up being sick. Let's get them in order so we can see. Not a lot, is there? Not a lot of difference. Need some more room there, to be honest. It's going to be awkward to get all this in, but a bit more caramel in the middle, ain't there? Just a little bit in the middle of that one, in the original. But there's not a lot of difference, is there? Not a lot of difference at all. Right, let's taste test them. So don't forget, the original's always on this side. And there's the Aldi one. So let's have a little taste. The original first. Original's lovely, ain't it? Mars bar, spot on, gorgeous. Now let's try the Aldi. Virtually exactly the same. A little bit chocolatier. Because that, I mean, Mars, isn't they? You know, the chocolate's well known in it, so. Well, there's nothing wrong with that. And would I pay the extra, well, double the price for that, for the original? No, I wouldn't. So I'm going for the Aldi one there because of the price, and there's no difference. Virtually any, just a little bit chocolatier, that's all. Well, let's get on to the next one. So I'm not going to eat loads, I'm going to be sick. Right, now we're on to the Snickers, or the Marathon. Who remembers it being called Marathon? Oh yes. There's that one, there's the Tesco one. And there's the original. So you can't really tell in the packaging, but we'll see the size when I open them up. Don't forget, double the price. Let's open the original, the Aldi one. Now the original. There's that one. Not much, is there? They look virtually similar, don't they? That's a little bit darker, isn't it? Don't forget, double the price. Alright, let's cut them open. Aldi one first. Oops, not the camera. So I can get you in. There we go. Not a lot of differences, a few more peanuts. That's about it. Let's taste test that one then and have a look. Right, original Snicker bar. Let's try that. Nice, Snickers, very chewy. Now the Aldi one. Exactly the same, apart from, I say, just the chocolate's a little bit more sweeter. Apart from that, Aldi for me again for half price, 100%. On to the next. Right, on to the Twix now. The Aldi one first. There it is. And the one somebody's already ate. And there's that one. Oh, Aldi might look bigger there, look. Look at the size of that. Well, we'll tell when we open them anyway. Do the Aldi one first. I need to get one out. And now the original. Original Aldi. A lot of difference in the size there, look. Lots of difference. Don't forget, that's twice the money. Let's cut it open. Aldi first. So I can only cut a bit off because I'll be sick of all this chocolate. There we go. Stand it up so we can see the difference. There's that one. Not a lot of difference, is there again? A little bit more caramel, but that's about it. Right, taste test this one. Original Twix first. So there's a bit more, you can see a bit more caramel in the middle of these ones. But it's a Twix. We know that. These are the ones. Turn it round so it was broke at the bit there. Absolutely no difference whatsoever. So a little bit on the chocolate again, but double the price. Aldi again. See where this is going, can't you, straight away? See where it's going. I'm going to be dark there, ain't I? Sorry about that last one. I had a bit of chocolate on my lens. I'll just have to clean it. Right, Kit Kats. Aldi. All the chocolate everywhere. Original. I say these ones are in 4 packs, but I didn't have any 2 packs in. Aldi one first. Don't forget these were 75p and these were 99p. So only like 25p difference. And there's the original. Break that into 2 to make it fairer. Exactly the same, bit darker on the original. But they're exactly the same. Take one off each. There we go. Put that one on there. Put them on there. Let's give these a cut. There's them ones. Oh, can't see quite that. See that, can you? Move it across a bit. There we go. There's them ones. No differences really, apart from the colour. Right, let's taste test this. Right, the original Kit Kat first. Kit Kat, nice. Now the Aldi one. Same again, just a little bit chocolatey, that's all. Not a lot, there's only a little bit in it. Aldi again for the price. Again, what was that? 25, I think it was 25p difference in that. But that was the Aldi one. Next one, last one I think, Bounty. Right, time for the Bounty now then. And these were 30p difference. So they come in a pack of 10. And they're 4 times 2 because obviously Bounty's got 2 in each bar, haven't they? So, not much difference. Let's open these ones up, if I can. My hands are all slipping after all this chocolate. Get the knife, can't open it. There's that one. Now the Bounty. And there's the Bounty. Obviously you're not going to tell the difference until I open them up. You know, because you only want half of that. Then let's open the Aldi one. There we go. Now let's open the original. I mean, you see a lot of difference in that one. That one looks yummy. That one looks like it's been through together. Unless it's just that one. If they've got another one in the bag there. Just to compare, just in case that's just a mashed up one. No, they're all the same. They're all the same. So yeah, that bouncy looks nice. I mean, they're the same size virtually. A little bit darker again on the chocolate, as you'd expect. There we go. Exactly the same. Look at that. Apart from that one, the original's just a little bit darker. Right, let's taste test this last one. Right, the original first. Bounty. I love Bounties. Very chocolatey, lovely, very coconutty. Now the Aldi one. It's a lot more coconutty one, that is. But is it worth the extra, what was it, 30p? No. Aldi again. For the price. Goes to show you, doesn't it? You have these main brands and the cheaper brands are just as good for half the price. Just remember that next time you want a chocolate bar, thinking I've got to get the proper Mars or whatever. No, you haven't. You haven't at all. You have your grandkids around or your kids, go to Aldi's, half the price. No difference at all. A little bit in the chocolate, just a little bit, which you expect. But for the money, Aldi's is the winner, 100%. So there you go. I know it's a bit of a stupid one, but it's an experiment, isn't it? And it's worth noting, you know, not all the good names are worth the money. Because Aldi's there, just proved it with the chocolate. It's exactly the same. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I am the Old Food Guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. Gonna clean all this chocolate up now, it's everywhere.